Hello, I'm Sarah Fleischmann. My husband Max and I bought the Olivas Adobe in 1927 as a private hunting club. I was born in Cincinnati, and I met and married my husband Max Fleischmann there. You've heard of Fleischmann's yeast, Fleischmann's margarine? Max's father started that company. You've heard the expression, join the Navy and see the world. Max is a Navy man, and we traveled all over the world, beginning with our honeymoon in the Arctic. And we went big game hunting in Africa. And we took a balloon ride, a hot air balloon, with the captain of the London balloon team in London. We were going 7 miles an hour. We enjoyed that trip so much that we decided to become aeronauts. And Max was actually captain of the balloon brigade in World War I. Another one of his hobbies is polo. And Max discovered California and fell in love with all of its beauties and wonders when he attended a polo match in Santa Barbara. We bought a home there. We're also hunters. And so we became attracted to this beautiful city of Ventura when we discovered the availability of duck hunting down at the Santa Clara River right here on the ranch. We live in other residences, but we come here to relax and go hunting. Our golden retriever, Goldie, retrieves ducks for us. Our dear caretaker, Ira Reeder, said he had no experience in training dogs, but we put our confidence in him. So he trained Goldie by having her retrieve lemons from our tree. So at first, she only retrieved lemons, but pretty quickly she was able to transfer her skills from lemons to ducks. And she became our favorite hunting dog. One time, we caught someone trying to hunt down at the river. And we were sure he was a poacher. Well, a very handsome poacher, but a poacher nonetheless. So Max confronted him and threatened to call the law on him. Well, he was not a poacher. Oh my, no, he was that dreamy Hollywood movie actor, Clark Gable. So Max invited him to stay, and we became friends, and he would come here often to go hunting and to dine with us. That's the bell that Max had put in. It's from an old steam train. We're having people over tonight, but normally our time here is just lived very simply. This is just a lovely place to come and get away from it all. I have to go see to dinner. Hope you come back soon.